What's up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And when people think of Valentine's Day dinner, they think of Italian food or surf and turf. Scratch that, y'all. Let's make some hibachi. So you guys might be asking, Chef Seymour, what is hibachi? Hibachi is an Asian cuisine that you grill on a flat top, and you can choose whatever ingredients you want on it. Now, in order to cook hibachi, you need a flat top grill. I got this as a gift from my auntie Fal. Now, I'm going to start off with the chicken because it takes longer to cook than the shrimp. As you see, I've taken the liberty to preheat my flat top, and now let's dump the chicken. Now, we have to add our veggies. I have some green zucchini and yellow squash along with some mushrooms. Now let's put it on the grill. Let's add some onions. Let's add our shrimp. No hibachi is complete without rice, so let's put our bowl of rice on the flat top. To add color to our rice, let's add some soy sauce. Now we're going to add our more vegetables. Now let's make our sauce. We're going to be making two sauces. One is going to be a soy and chili glaze sauce, and then one's going to be yum yum sauce. So we're going to start with our yum yum sauce. So get 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Tablespoon of ketchup. Then, half a tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to mix it. And if you're feeling daring, you can add some hot sauce. Now let's make our chili sauce. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. And then also 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. And then half a tablespoon of crushed chili. And then a tablespoon of honey. Wow, look at all this food. So to top it off with a nice garnish, top everything off with some sesame seeds. For my Valentine's Day, make sure to like and subscribe.